You start off okay, and then you feel it. The downward spiral that causes you to feel like the world is better off without you. Sometimes you feel like you can't even breathe. Other times, it feels like you are burning on the inside. As much as you're trying not to think of it, the thoughts of suicide start to consume you. These suicidal thoughts can become a trembling fear where you don't know if you're going to make it through the night. But sometimes, when you are on your way down, a helping hand can make all the difference. It's important to know that when having these feelings, there is help, and there are simple interventions that can help you or someone you know experiencing thoughts of suicide. Even though it can be frustrating because you feel misunderstood, it's vital to know that you're not alone. No two humans can feel the same way, but there's always someone out there that can help comprehend where you are coming from.